Hey world, so glad you stopped by. In today's episode, we wanted to find the value of this expression 66 divided by 1 over 4 then times 4. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 4 divided by 4 which equals 1. So here we have just 1 and 66 divided by 1 equals 66. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 66 divided by 1 over 4. To do this division, write down the 66 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 4 over 1, which gives 4. And here again we have times 4. 66 times 4 gives us 264. So 264 times 4 which equals 1056. And so our final answer to this problem is just 1056. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join the fun.